Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been like 9 months I haven't made any videos. So today I'm just gonna show you how to curl your hair, your straight hair. If you want to have some big curls on your straight hair, continue watching this video. So you're gonna take your socks. It doesn't have to be something fancy, just a normal socks. Wrap your hair around the socks like so. You wrap it and then twist it. Wrap and twist like so. Okay guys, so it's the next day. Let's see how the curls came out. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button down below and also give this video a big thumbs up. So see you again on my next video. Bye bye.